Punta kaming Armenia.
Sama kayo!
Welcome to Yerevan, Armenia. We've actually been here before. That was a time na I look like kinain ko pa yung sarili ko. So nandito kami kasi a group of friends sa Dubai got together and said, oh, ba't hindi kaya tayo mag-weekend somewhere? And then we started talking about Armenia, kung gaano siya kamura, visa on arrival, you can apply visa online as well, tas mura yung food, masarap yung street food. Armenia being the first nation to declare itself as a Christian state is something relevant para sa amin. So we decided to spend 2 days dito sa Armenia. So we intend to cover a lot of ground. We will go to monasteries, we will go wine tasting. Saan pa ba kami pupunta? We will go to the world's longest ropeway, cable car, na single track. Dadaanan namin yon, and much more. First stop is wine tasting.
Dry also from last year, yeah. We have fruit fries, pomegranate, sour cherry, blackberry, raspberry, peach, apricot, quiz. These are semi-sweet. There is 11% alcohol. Oh, and we have stronger drinks also. Apricot cognac, 40% alcohol, and vodka from apricot, peach, apple grape, 60% alcohol.
Ano oras na? 9:30. 9:30 for wine tasting. Kamusta? We are tasting 17 kinds of wine. Apricot cognac.
This is 40%, guys.
Guys.
Hello! We're here again in Tatev, the longest ropeway in the world. I forgot.
Pulot kami ng magandang sombrero.
Yay! Ganda!
Brad, mali. Mali. Kamusta yung trip nyo?
Anxiety-inducing experience.
Yeah.
Nakahilo,
Little
nakakaspa.
bumpy.
Ayoko.
In the history of the world, first peasant revolt took place here. Here also was the seat of Orwellian governmental house.
Yes, this would seem
Very Eastern European feel. From the cars to the people.
Ice cream. Chocolate. Are you for
Kung alam ko lang kung may mapagsusumbungan ako.
And what is the purpose?
This would be awesome. And we had lunch. Hindi pa kami kumakain. But we'll check out waterfalls nearby. You hear that sound? Sound yan ng brook o ilog. I'll show you. This is gonna be cool. Okay. Wala yung gutom. Yes naman! Accident prone ka daw! Last stop of this very action-packed itinerary is Noravank. which is another old monastery surrounded by hills.
Ilawan ka namin, baba ka pa. Kunti pa, pa-picture ka na lang.
Kunyari, galing na ako doon.
Nga pala, it's 7:20 p.m. pero the sun is still up. The sunset is at 8:30. Maganda raw ang sunset dito. Day 1. Check. Balik na kami airport. Maya.